Hi everyone, in this video for grade 6 we have unit 9.1 ratios and rate on page 198 on the book. In this unit we talk about how to write ratios for something, how to find out equivalent ratios, and how to write rate, unit rate. The first one, example 1, tells you in the book, you can read it on page 198. To make bell metal, there is 3 kilograms of copper and 1 kilogram of tin. They need to use these two to make bell metal. From these two, which is given 3 kilograms of copper and 1 kilogram of tin, you can see that total is 4 kilograms. 3 of that one and another one, it will be 4 kilograms is total. Write the following ratios for these 1, 2, 3 questions. The first one tells you kilogram of copper to kilogram of tin. Whenever you have two things like that to write ratios, always the first one you write in the up in the numerator, the second one you write in the denominator, in down of the fraction. Kilogram of copper, from the question we know that it's 3 over kilogram of tin. Tin was 1 kilogram, sorry, it is 3. And the other one, kilogram of copper to total kilogram. Kilogram of copper, the first one in the up, it must be 3 to what? To total kilogram, which is 4 kilograms we knew. So the ratio of kilogram of copper to total kilogram is 3 over 4. The other one is total kilogram, which is 4 kilograms over kilogram of tin, which is 1. 4 over 1 equals 4. That's the ratios for each one of them. Just know that always the first one will be in the up, the other one in the down. To write the equivalent ratios for each one of these questions A and B, write two equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratio, we mean another fraction which is equal to that one. Find something which is another fraction which is in different numbers, but it is equal to that. For this one, we always must need to use these two. We need to use these two only. Multiply, divide. We cannot use plus and minus to find equivalent ratios. For the first one, which is 6 over 9, in multiply, you can use any number as you like. You can multiply by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 10, any number as you like. You can choose. It's your choice. I choose to multiply by 2 to find the first equivalent ratios. 6 multiplied by 2, it's 12, and 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. This is the first equivalent ratio for 6 over 9. 12 over 18 equals 6 over 9. To find another one, it's your choice if you choose to multiply or to divide. But in divide, both of them must be divided by the same number. It's not always possible. For example, this one, it's possible to both of them to divide by 3. But in multiply, if you choose to multiply, it's your choice to multiply by any number. 6 divided by 3, it's 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. 2 over 3 equals 6 over 9. 12 over 18 equals 6 over 9. These are two equivalent ratios for 6 over 9. The other one, 2 over 5. 2 over 5, we cannot use divide for this one because both of them cannot be divided by 2, cannot be divided by 3, cannot be divided by 5, both together. So we just must use multiply. Multiply by any number as you like. Again I choose multiply by 2, multiply by 2, which is easier to do always. Choose that one for yourself. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 4 over 10 equals equivalent to 2 over 5. To find another one for 2 over 5, this time I choose to multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 equals 2 multiplied by 10, 20, 5 multiplied by 10, 50. 20 over 50 equivalent to 2 over 5. We found two equivalent ratios for 2 over 5. In example 3, we have writing as fraction, then find the unit rate. We have what? You can write, for example, you can write 90 words in 2 minutes. It means, what's the unit rate? Unit rate means, at first let's write down as fraction. It's 90 over 2. 90 over 2. We must simplify until the denominator would be 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Equals 90 divided by 2 is 45 over 1. So the unit rate that you can do is 45 words in 1 minute you can do. The other one is 120 kilometers in 3 hours. 120 in 3 hours. To simplify this one, divide by 3 because denominator is 3. Divide by 3 equals 120 divided by 3. You can do it by long division and whatever you like. To find the division is 40 kilometers. 120 was for the kilometer and 3 was for the hour. 40 kilometers in 1 hour. That's how to find the unit rate. The unit rate for this one, for the speed, is 40 kilometers in 1 hour. The unit rate for the words, in like writing the words, typing the words, is 45 words per minute, or in 1 minute. That's how to find the ratios, finding equivalent ratios, and finding unit rate. That's all about this section. Thanks for watching.